Get to know yourself. First, you should know yourself. Knowing yourself is a very big thing. Yes or no? Yes, sir. If you don't know yourself, knowing means a strength, weakness, my bad habits, my weakness, my limitations, my strong points. That you should know. Nobody can tell you how to know. One can know. मुझे ये नहीं आता है, यहाँ तो हम कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, उसका हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा. मन में जो चलता है, तो get to know yourself. That is first thing to develop your personality. Mind you can note down. Think positive. वो आगे बोला तुम्हारा शिकायत कर रहा था. अरे हम नहीं कर रहा था, वो कर रहा था ना. छोड़ो, और बताओ क्या हो रहा, कितना रन बनाया. टॉपिक चेंज कीजिए, पॉजिटिव टॉपिक पे आइए. ठीक है, वो उसका शिकायत कर रहा, वो उसका शिकायत कर रहा, आपका समय खराब हो रहा, आपका माइंडसेट खराब हो रहा, आपका पर्सनालिटी नीचे जा रहा है. So get to know yourself, think positive, have your own opinion. बोलिए मत, लेकिन जहां जरूरत है बोलिए. Express where it is required, where it is asked for, but you should definitely have the opinion. से मेरे बारे में ओपिनियन जरूर बनना चाहिए. बोलना तब होगा जब आपको बोलने के लिए बोला जाएगा, जब जरूरत होगा, बट ओपिनियन होना चाहिए. So have your opinion, meet new people. It should not be that एक महीना हो गया, शाम को वही चार लड़का मिलके कहीं अड्डा लगाते हैं. No, hangover. अड्डा तो word is a wrong word. The hangout, you go for recreating for tomorrows with your friends. But try to meet one or two new fellow also. यार उसका दोस्त है. अच्छा कहाँ का, तुम पटना में हो? वहाँ. If you don't meet new people, you will not develop new traits. You will not understand your weakness. You will not be able to develop. Because meeting people, it's not necessary that 20 आदमी से मिले, लेकिन एक आध आदमी से तो 2-4 दिन में नया मिलना ही चाहिए ना, नहीं तो कुआं का मेढक हो जाना है ना. Meet new people, read often and develop new interest. पढ़िए और नया इंटरेस्ट डेवलप कीजिए, ये भी पर्सनालिटी बनाता है. Be a good listener. This is the thing which I was going to miss, a blunder miss. Any discussion, any interaction on critical or effective communication, if we don't talk about listening ability, it is all zero. Effective communicator will be a terrific and fantastic listener. One has to be a very good listener. Listening also has got, study, depth study. Simply you are listening me and you are not enjoying it, don't listen then. You are not listening, you are hearing. There is a difference between hearing and listening. There is a difference between looking and seeing. अभी बहुत कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है हमको, ट्रक जा रहा है उधर. That is, I am seeing, but I am looking at him. Looking means अर्जुन जो मछली देख रहा था, वो seeing नहीं कर रहा था, लुक कर रहा था. हाँ, focused. Use keywords. Focused. Be focused even in hearing and listening and looking and seeing. Okay. Be a good listener. One has to be a very good listener. You should be critical listener rather. Critical listening is what? That if anybody is speaking and you are in audience, you should be a critical listener so that you raise a suitable question at a suitable time, so that if the speaker is diverting from the main topic, he should come back to the topic, or you draw attention of the discussion towards your way of liking. That is called critical. Sir, just simply raise the hand. The speaker, yes, sir, I think we have deviated. We were talking this. Oh, yes, thank you very much. That is called critical. So one has, the best thing is in listening, be critical listener. Always be critical listener, so that you can drive the thing get the thing of your liking or bring the thing on the male track. स्पीकर कभी कभी भटक जाते हैं ना टॉपिक से. अभी हम लोग का जो टॉपिक है, अब हम बात करने लगे लीडरशिप में ज्यादा, तो बोले सर वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. सिंपल है ना. I think little deviated. So I will come back. That is the way one should listen. Correct? No. So be a good listener. Fun is good. शाम को थोड़ा enjoy भी कीजिए, उससे भी personality बनता है. Be courteous. You should be courteous. You should be always courteous. Don't judge a man. किसी के बारे में judgment मत दीजिए. Opinion and judgment अलग है. जजमेंट माने फैसला होता है, ठीक है. तो ओपिनियन रखिए, बट डोंट जज एनीबॉडी. टेक 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. इफ द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दिस लेक्चर इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी फ्रूटफुल, आई विल टेक द 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकॉज आई एम द स्पीकर, नॉट द लिसनर. दैट वे यू शुड सी. गेट आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. आराम से दूर हटिए. हर समय आदमी आराम खोजता है, कंफर्ट जोन. या फैन चलाओ, एसी चलाओ, छोड़ना, आते हैं ना उधर से घूम के आते हैं, कल कर लेंगे. कभी नहीं. आप कंफर्ट जोन में रहिएगा. डोंट ड्रीम ऑफ बिकमिंग ए बिग ऑफिसर. इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेट लाइन. यू कैनॉट बिकम ए बिग मैन इफ यू ऑलवेज रिमेन, ट्राई टू ऑलवेज वांट ए कंफर्ट जोन. योर अटायर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. आप क्या पहनते हो वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. माने साफ सुथरा. दामी का बात नहीं है कि बहुत पैसा वाला कपड़ा, बट आपका साफ है कि नहीं है, अनहाइजीनिक है क्या है, और ढंग का है कि नहीं है, कहाँ सिला लिए हो जैसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा, है ना. तो वो सब इट मैटर्स टू मैनेजमेंट, यू नो, दिस एटमोस्फेयर वेयर वी आर नाउ. बी कॉन्फिडेंट. And that can only happen if you all do all these things, because it has come at the end. You cannot be confident without doing all these things. And then be yourself. आप किसी के सिखाने से, उसके हिसाब से मत चलिए. आप अपना ओपिनियन बनाते हैं. You make your own opinion. You are not judging anybody. You are, having always positive thinking. You are punctual. Then be yourself. So if I am Sanjay Shukla, then I will be Sanjay Shukla, because I am all correct, no, from the very beginning. So I will not change because somebody is gaining temporarily some advantage. So I will just copy paste. Then I will go doom. But you should be rational, no? Why you are doing it? We all are a community where we are very rational fellow, reasonable. I cannot go out of this room unnecessary. I cannot come inside the room without any rational thinking. If I walk anywhere, how I am walking and why I am walking, what is the need of movement? Every small thing, it's not a big thing. So that way you can go do the development. Then know you are incomparable. Somebody has इसमें दिया है. सर जी क्या देख रहे हो? हाँ. No, you are incomparable. Nobody is alike. मतलब मेरा कंपेयर का कोई नहीं है. घमंड की बात नहीं है. But everybody is a distinct fellow. Everybody is a different fellow. Be a good listener again. Learn to let go. If you are not having success, okay, I'll try next time. उसी को लेके बैठे रहिएगा, फ्यूचर खराब हो जाएगा. It's simple. Be confident. बी ए बेटर कम्युनिकेटर. अभी बात ही नहीं कीजिएगा खाली. अभी मान लो गला हिलाया, ठीक है, अभी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, ठीक है ना, काइनेमिक्स बोलते हैं. बट वेयर यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू स्पीक नाउ, आई कैनॉट बी ऑलवेज दैट काइनेमिक्स विल नॉट हेल्प. आई हैव टू स्पीक नाउ बिकॉज माई रोल इज टू स्पीक हियर. थिंक लाइक ए लीडर. थिंक लाइक ए लीडर. लीडर हैविंग द इंटीग्रिटी, द कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी, very effective communicator, problem solver, decision maker, empathizer, vision, mission. These are the leadership ability. So one of them is, if you want to develop your personality, behave like a leader. Leader takes initiative. leader takes full 100% responsibility either for success or for failure also. Meet new people, know yourself. So these are the things, I'll just fatafat. Then one big word is there, we all are very used to in our daily management, interpersonal relationship. Mind you, जिसका इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप या इंटरपर्सनल स्किल कमजोर होगा, whoever he may be, whose interpersonal skills are weak, he cannot have a good personality. He will not be acceptable in the masses. He will not be able to lead the team. He will not become a future good manager. So there are, बोलता फटाफट 29 टिप्स है, सुनिएगा. गिव ए स्माइल फर्स्ट. मतलब स्माइल, हंसी है. मेरे से जब हम काम करते थे, हमने गिव ए स्माइल, अदरवाइज यू आर नॉट एबल टू टेल व्हाई यू हैव कम हियर. भाई मुंह लटका के आ रहे हो बॉस के पास, एक हल्का मुस्कान रखना यार. वो तो सिचुएशन अब आई कैन. अभी मान लो भूकंप आ जाएगा तो हम क्या करेंगे? वही सोच के क्या दुखित रहेंगे? अरे भूकंप आया. अभी आया उधर करना ताइवान में, इधर न्यूयॉर्क में कुछ दिन पहले आया था. जगदीशपुर और बिहिया में तो नहीं आया. आने दो यार, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है ना. नेवर वरी अबाउट द थिंग विच इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल, एंड डोंट break your mood or don't have a wrong frame of mind because of the things which are not in your control. But be very mindful. Be very mindful for the things which are in your control. That 100 में 100 चाहिए. बोला लक साथ नहीं देता है. अरे लक मेरे हाथ में थोड़ी है. लेकिन सुबह में 5 बजे उठना है ना, वो मेरे हाथ में है. तो 5 बजे उठ के काम कीजिएगा ना, तो लक भी आपके साथ साथ चलेगा इनविजिबली. गिव ए स्माइल, लिसन मोर देन यू टॉक. मेरा रोल आज गड़बड़ है, मुझको बोलना ही है. जितना बोलते हैं उससे ज्यादा सुनिए. 2 ठो कान है, 1 मुंह है. फंडामेंटल क्लियर. आस्क ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन. आई विल बी फास्ट. यूज बॉडी लैंग्वेज इफेक्टिवली. बी इंटरेस्टेड rather than interesting. Be interested rather than interesting. Get to the point quickly. Ask questions about the other person. Let people feel good about themselves. भाई दूसरे को दुखित मत कीजिए अपने आचरण से. Highlight others' strength and success. Don't highlight his weakness. He knows his weakness. Eliminate distraction and interruption. Make eye contact with the person you are talking with. Don't interrupt people when they are speaking. Use I statement instead of making generalization on yourself and others. Don't take everything personally. It is all important not just to listen without saying anything back. When listening, show empathy. Emphasize where appropriate. Express your thought, feelings, emotion in a healthy way. Learn to forgive others for their mistake. Forgive करना बहुत मजबूत आदमी का काम है, याद रखिए. सब कोई क्षमा नहीं करता. Be engaged. खाली मत रहिए. कुछ काम नहीं है, मोबाइल है, गूगल है, न्यूज़पेपर है, चालू हो जाइए. अपना इंग्लिश वर्ड है वो लिखना होगा. एस्टैब्लिश रैपो. आपका नाम हो, जो छोटा सा सर्किल है उसमें एक ब्रांड हो, भाई वो अच्छे आदमी है, वो अच्छे. रैपो बनाइए. डिफर जजमेंट. जजमेंट मत कीजिए किसी को. बोले अच्छा था, बोले हाँ ठीक है यार बढ़िया बोला, अब देखो आगे हम क्या बोले, हम वो तो सीनियर है, उनके बारे में हम क्या बोले, है ना. जज कौन करता है? जो उससे ज्यादा पोटेंशियल है, उसके पास कैपेबिलिटी है. ऑब्जर्व अदर बॉडीज लैंग्वेज. दूसरे का बॉडी लैंग्वेज को ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. प्रैक्टिस एक्टिव लिसनिंग. स्ट्रेंथन योर मेमोरी. यूज अदर नेम व्हेन यू टॉक टू देम. भाई दूसरे से बात की उसका थोड़ा कभी कभार नाम लीजिए, तो वो आपको पसंद करेगा. हाँ. अवॉइड ऑफेंडिंग पीपल बाय कंसिडरिंग देयर फीलिंग aforesaid. Very difficult to implement. Now you people tell me, I think I have covered a lot, few things, another few things I would like to tell you. You know, थोड़ा पानी पीते हैं, हम बहुत कुछ बता दें. एनाटॉमी हुआ था, देयर वाज एनाटॉमी ऑफ बोर पीपल. Anatomy of bored people, means classification. One category of people were called snob. You know what is a snob? A snob means always he will say that all big guns are his relative. He knows them. Whenever you talk about governor, he knows him. His uncle knows him. Somehow he is always, in a position to say that every big gun, every big personality is very close to him. He will always, they are called snob. Don't try to become snob. Then there is a category called autobiographist. वो हर समय अपना ही बात करता है. कुछ भी बात करोगे अपना, हाँ मेरा बोला मेरा बच्चा का तबीयत खराब, बोला मेरे बच्चे का भी कल तबीयत खराब था. बोला मेरी वाइफ जो है ना MBA है, बोला मेरी वाइफ की बहन भी MBA है, मेरा ये है, मेरा घर में वो है. अपना पूरा कहानी लिखेगा वो. ठीक है, ये लोग बोर आदमी है, ये होना नहीं है. वी डोंट हैव टू बिकम लाइक दिस. स्नॉब, autobiographist. Then there is a compulsive talker. There are people who will always speak, whatever may be the topic, whatever may be the situation, they will always speak. If you talk about cancer, they will speak. You talk about COVID, they will speak. You talk about Messi, how Messi plays the football, he will talk. You talk about Canada or earthquake in Taiwan, he will speak. You talk anything, he will speak. You talk about a फ्रीगेट ऑफ चाइना और अमेरिका का कोई लड़ाई का होता ना, फ्रीगेट जा रहा है, फॉरेन रिलेशन, कुछ भी बात करोगे वो बोलेगा ही बोलेगा, है ना, वो जानता हो चाहे न जानता हो. सो दे आर कंपल्सिव टॉकर. ऑटोबायोग्राफिस्ट, कंपल्सिव टॉकर, स्नॉब. ठीक है, तो बोलता फिर आदमी को होना कैसे चाहिए? ठीक है, तो one has to be critical listener. One has to be critical listener. ज्यादा नहीं बोलना है, जो बोलना है वो अपने तरफ चीज को लाना है, काम का बात करना है. So that way the personality should be. Remember all this. Then there are mindset, there are transactional analysis बोलते हैं. It is called transactional analysis. One type of persons are there, I am okay, you are okay. So they are good. All organizations, they need such fellow. They are good. मैं भी ठीक, तुम भी ठीक. Another category is there, I am okay, you are not okay. That is something, boasting himself. मतलब मैं ठीक हूं, तुम ठीक नहीं है. They can be trained. They have to be trained. One category is there, I am not okay, you are okay. Something given up. बोला हाथ उठा दिया, बोला भाई हम तो बेकार हैं, तुम ही अच्छे हो. They are not good for organization. They have to be brought in the second category because they will create depression. They will create attrition. And the worst category is I am not okay and you are also not okay. मतलब मैं भी बेकार हूं, तू भी बेकार है. ऐसे लोगों को ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं दिया जा सकता है. ऐसे लोगों को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पसंद नहीं करता है. The organization don't like such fellow. So one best is I am okay, you are okay. So this is transactional analysis. Transactional analysis, ma'am may be knowing, is a very big area. I am just touching it, remember all this. I think I have spoken enough. No, anything you want to know further in this topic, personality, communication, I think अगर इतना याद रखोगे तो काफी है. Word verbal communication impactful. If you want to make it, you should have vocabulary, rich vocabulary, its applications, its meaning, and practice. Verbal and non-verbal, of course, that also you should always keep in your mind. Because without practice you cannot be perfect. So practice, in the class, don't speak in Hindi, speak in English. Anybody wants to speak, kuch bolo? Anybody wants to serve anything? I mean, you can easily do it, all this, na? There is anything I said which is not undoable. So thank you very much for listening to me. Correct, no? Yes.
How to develop our own opinion,
How to develop?
opinion on any subject, on any topic,
Huh.
and be influenced by others.
Hmm.
Like some person is saying about a good thing, about certain personality, we come to come on the list that he is right. Another one is such opposite, then we influence by it. But I think that how can we develop our own opinion that whatever is happening is correct by my side.
Understood. ठीक है, thank you. You have asked a very tricky question. No, I'm very good. I'm happy to, at least you are thinking and you have generated this question. The rightness or correctness of anything depends on a certain norms, accepted norms in society, in family, in an institution. Correct? No. So, written norms are called constitution. Outstanding orders is also constitution. Whatever has been put in black and white for any company or any organization or a state or country, that is known as constitution. That guides us. Another two things which governs the happening in the universe is a convention. Constitution is a written thing. Convention is a accepted thing. जैसे कि मंदिर में जूता खोल के जाते हैं, है ना? एक कन्वेंशन है, परिपाटी है, ये चले आ रहा है, मान्यता प्राप्त है. तो अगर मंदिर में कोई लिखा नहीं है ना कि जूता खोलकर प्रवेश कीजिए, तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. मंदिर में जाना है तो जूता खोल के जाना है. And this is convention. And third thing which governs the world activity is conviction. Constitution, convention and conviction. Conviction is what? Your self-conviction and the conviction of the group. So your opinion about anything depends on, again, these three things only. Mainly your conviction, your self-belief. My self-belief will be different than his self-belief. Again, how it will be different, that again will requires a discussion. Self-belief is hereditary. So, ambience, the society or the surrounding or the association or the college in which you study, alma mater, these all make your self-belief, self-respect, self-confidence. That will mainly be the basis of your opinion which you make. Anybody who is making an opinion will mainly depend on his self-belief and the convention and the constitution which are in the place. Am I clear? भाई हमको आपके बारे में ओपिनियन बनाना है ना, तो आपका जो व्यवहार था अभी 1 घंटा से, आप जो पूछे, आप जैसे हमको देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, ये सब मेरे दिमाग में है. I have got my own self belief, and there are certain norms in management circle, in this, academia, and there are certain written things. Those things will make me make an opinion about you, mainly what I have seen you, how you have reacted, and how I conceive all this. That will depend on my self belief. That's why it is called self efficacy and self belief. Also, is to be taken care of in